So again, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna save this as 021 so you can follow along with it. And now I'm gonna select the heads, press Z to zoom in again, and I'm gonna isolate it so I can see what's going on. And now I can convert to poly. I'm gonna unwrap this, and we're going to make those on a planes quickly. Planar. Planar. And this one as well, planar. And this one as well, planar. So I'm gonna hit quick peel on those pieces and select each individual element and drag it out. So now the reason I do this is I want to start to stitch those pieces. So for example, I'm gonna select this and select this one, select this edge and this one and stitch it, and I can target well those vertices. And now select this piece and this piece and stitch it, stitch select, and now I can select this one and stitch select it again. So if I relax this now, I'll get something that looks like this. And if I hide it and take a look at it, it's kind of okay. It's what I want. The front of the piece where this goes down is in front, so it gets hidden by the jaw of the robot, so it's kind of okay. And the other parts are gonna get projected on the back, as well as some of the other UV things are on top. Since this is like this, I can do another thing. I can convert to poly, and I will go and affect the center of it, and I can rotate this on the back just like this. And now if I check my UVs, this kind of a border piece is on the top, and that's even better because it won't be on the front, so I don't have to worry about it. And this way I'll know where this piece goes. I mean, if I go and open this, I can select this piece and I'll know that this is on the back here, and this will have projected UVs properly. So I can check her quickly and see is anything fine. Everything looks kind of okay. What I can do to fix these stretching areas is I can target welds, those on the sides quickly, and if I relax this now, it will look a little bit better. We can see we have a little bit of stretching. The best solution for this is select two of the borders on two sides, or actually the interior ones, and just break them. And now if you relax, actually, sorry, I did outside of the window. So select those pieces on the inside, those that are on the inside or outside actually, and just break them, and you can relax this now. And if I go and relax this, you can see how it gets stretched a little bit. So you can do the same thing here. You can select those two and break, and again relax. So you can get this kind of a triangular shape, but it's kind of okay as long as, actually for this one I don't want to have this. I'm just gonna target weld it, and I'm just gonna relax it again. the main shape that's gonna be important is here on the back, and it's in this area, so I don't have to worry about it. The rest will just maintain the shape and the UV space and so on. So I'm gonna convert this to poly, and I'm just gonna quickly select this and apply the green material to it. And now I'm gonna focus on the last two pieces, the leg and the helmet. For the helmet, it's going to be very easy actually. I'm gonna apply unwrap on it, and I'm just gonna go and select, press 2 on the keyboard and to go into edge mode, and I'm gonna point to point select seams. I'm gonna press F4 to see what's going on, and now I can start selecting seams actually. I'm gonna start with the interior piece, and I'm just gonna drag like this so I can make the outline of it. I just want to drag on this interior side. I'm gonna show in a minute why. Or actually, no, let's make the entire inner piece one whole thing. This way I won't know what's wrong. Actually, somehow I clicked somewhere else, and let's make sure that I click the right vertices, otherwise I'll have problems. So now I just connect this. Sometimes you have to guide the line a little bit better. So now I can expand anything that's on the interior and click planar and quick peel. I'm just gonna outzoom and relax this by face, and I'm just gonna relax it and select the outside and relax this one as well. If I want, I can quickly select overlapped faces, check do we have some of those. You can see that I don't have problems like this one, but here we have the same triangle or problem. So the best thing I can do is convert this to poly, export it again into my max files, and just temp mesh again, same settings, and now delete it and re-import it. And just click import, and now we will convert this to polygon, and now unwrap it and go to Opacity UV editor, and I check what's going on. Everything's gonna be fine. So I want to make sure that I don't have overlapping UVs, and I don't, which is okay. I have a problem on the top of the helmet, as you can see. Something went wrong in this area. I don't know why or what, but I'm gonna fix it. So I'm gonna convert this to poly and just go and clean it. Target all this. Or actually, since something's very wrong in here, I have to delete those as polygons, and I can target well this one now, and I can bridge this, go down and select bridge, and cap this one. So I have similar problem here as well. Something went wrong on the front part. Just need to target well all those pieces. I can select those borders, remove them. Or actually, those are polygons, and just need to delete them and bridge again. Go down and select bridge. actually just select the outside ones, bridge, and I can actually cannot cap this one, so okay, I can cap this one actually. So now I'm just gonna check is anything fine. I'm gonna select all the polygons, detach them from the mesh, and delete this mesh. And now I can apply a smooth groups on this. The reason why I detach this is if I don't, sometimes the smooth groups will not work. Okay, so we have some kind of a flying polygon here, so I'm gonna try to select anything in welds by 001, and it's kind of okay. And now I'm gonna see is anything fine. Everything looks okay. I'm gonna apply quickly UV unwrap on top of it and take a look of my mesh. So you can notice that everything here looks fine. I just have this thing which is not okay, and I'm gonna select this element. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this, and in our next chapter we're gonna start fixing a little bit the problems we had with the helmet.